Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to find out the values of different trigonometric ratios for the angle say 0 degree angle. So in this given triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, if I want to find out perpendicular for angle C, we know that the perpendicular for angle C or an acute angle in a triangle is the side right opposite to it. So side opposite to angle C is AB, that is perpendicular, and the side on which this is made, that is called BC, base, and side right opposite to 90 degree angle is hypotenuse. That has been made. Now please try to analyze a bit that if in this triangle, let me again draw it for your understanding. It is like this, and this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Now if I want to bring this values to 0, so first say I reduce it here. This is a lesser value than this, so A has come here. If I want to further reduce, A will come. Gentlemen, please try to understand. If I want to make angle C as 0 degree, A will come and coincide with B. To make this angle 0 degree, C will remain there and A will come to B, like this. So B and A are coincident point. They are lying at one and same. In this process, side AB is got eliminated altogether. So you can say its value will become 0. Because when A and B come to one and same point, AB ceases to be, or the value of AB becomes 0. Now C remaining at C and A coming to B, that means both AC and BC are equal. Both AC and BC are equal, and let us say they are equal to A. AC and BC. C remaining at C, A coming to B, AC will become BC. So AC is become BC because we have written both of them as A. Now having done that, we will see now. Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har, Bole, Sona, Chandi, Tole. So to find out sine of angle 0 degree, you need to write P upon H. P upon H. This is for sine, P upon H. So here P upon H is what? That is 0 upon A. That is 0. So sine 0 is 0. If you want to find out cos 0 degree, then you will need to write B upon H. For cos it is B upon H. So A upon A. So that is 1. Sometimes this question is asked to you, why sine 0 degree is 0? Prove geometrically. Why cos 0 degree is 1? Prove geometrically. Then you need to take the cos to this method. And if I want to find out tan 0 degree, then we can do P upon B. So that is again 0 upon A, and that is 0. Cosec 0 is inverse of this, sec 0 is inverse of this, and cot 0 is inverse of this. So this is how we could find out the values of all the trigonometric ratios for the angle of 0 degree.